Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and joining me today. This is the look that we are going to create. I had no idea what I wanted to do today. I sat down, I turned on my camera, and I said film. So that's what I did, and this is the look that came out of it. I guess I tried to kind of match it with whatever shirt I have going on today. And yeah, I used about, yeah, you guys are probably not gonna like it, about three different eyeshadow books to pull these colors from. I had fun. I enjoyed creating this look. I hope you guys will enjoy recreating it. If you do, please definitely tag me in it. I will have all of my information in the description box below. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to start off with is brows today. Going to go in with my Brow Bar to Go by Gerard Cosmetics. I'm kind of obsessed with thicker brows, but I'm going to try to stay true today to the natural shape or thickness of my brows and see how I like it. Let's see if we can make the other one look the same way. This brow, and it's my challenging brow. Let's see. Never get the shape quite the same. Nope. Okay, now we're gonna go in and try to clean up under these brows to kind of shape them up a little bit better than they are right now. Okay, now I'm going to try to prime my eyes with a little bit of Tan Sand by Tarte. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Jackie Aina palette. Excuse that. And I'm going to go in with the colored edges. And what I'm doing is actually stamping the color into the eye to give off more pigmentation. Now I'm going to pop into this X's and O's palette from ColourPop. Go in with this color Reckless right here. I'm going to go in with a clean buffing brush and just smooth those edges out. Now I'm going in with this color Scarlet from the It's My Raye BH Cosmetics palette. That is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was not expecting that. Okay, now I'm going to go with this color Top Notch from that It's My Raye BH Cosmetics and place that right into the tear ducts. And now I'm going to put some black liner and then add lashes. Now we're going in with the Lash Candy eyelashes. This particular set is called Cocoa Kisses. Okay, so these are a bit more robust than what I'm used to, but we're gonna roll with it, okay? yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, these are the Lash Candy lashes. The style is Cocoa Kisses. They are definitely a bit more bolder than what I'm used to. But I wanted to and just give them a try, but step out of my comfort zone. They're lightweight. They're not a heavy lash. They're just long. I feel them touching my eyebrows, and I ain't really used to all that. But anyway, clean up this mess around the eyes. We're gonna smoke that bottom lash out, but first we're gonna go in with our skin. We're gonna go in with our Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And under the skin, I'm gonna go ahead back in with this Iman Luxury Liquid Illuminator and add it to the high points of my face as well. And this kind of dries out, so I like to mix it in with my moisturizer. You can wear this alone with your moisturizer. You can put it on top of your foundation, whatever you choose to do. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin. See, such a pretty glow. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my two concealers, one from Juvia's Place and one from Morphe. Go ahead and blend that out. I used to be so intimidated to put a lot of color up under the eyes and then a darker color around the face all at one time. I would definitely do it step by step or one at a time, but I have kind of preferred this method overall because once you get them to marry in, it kind of looks more seamless. I don't know. It's just a personal preference at this point. I may switch it up again in the near future. Who knows? And then we're going to go in with one of the darkest colors from the Juvia's Place. Use that as a contour. Next, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ever Matte Velvet powder. And smooth out up under those eyes. Gonna lightly use some translucent powder. While that sits, we are going to go ahead and smoke out up under the eye. We're going to go in with the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer in the color Supreme. Warm that face up. Okay, so that powder has set long enough. I'm going to go in and brush it off. Adding some blush. I'm actually using one of the Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I think it's the Warrior 2 palette, yeah. Now for the lip, what should I do? Let's not fake it. I think we all know it's going to be a nude lip. And I'm going to go in with the Mars by Colored Rain. I love this color. It is the perfect nude pink for brown skin girls. I'm going to go in the center with a little bit of the Blushing Rose by e.l.f. And I'm going to top it out with the Look by Joi Cotton Candy Gloss. All right, for a little added glow, I'm going to go in with the Oh My Glow Highlight and Finishing Spray in the medium color. Whether or not you need it that much, I can't tell you. This is the finished look, people. Don't forget to set your face, your makeup, your final stage with setting spray. My setting spray of choice, it's the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist that I like to use to set mine. But I am about to go upstairs and take all this makeup off and do my nighttime routine and be done with it. So I'm not really going to do that last one, but please feel free. So again, this is the final look. I thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this time with me. Again, these lashes were from Lash Candy. The style is Cocoa Kiss. I will definitely link her information in the details below. Once I got my whole face on, it didn't seem as extreme as it did with just the eyes done. You know, sometimes you just got to finish the look, and I'm glad that I did. Step out of my comfort zone and try these, and yeah, definitely please check her out. Again, a lot of the products in this video were Black-owned makeup brands. I am still expanding my collection. Definitely make sure you go out and support, put them dollars back into our black pockets. Make sure you do that. And yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.